Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, it has been quite some time. I have been away rebuilding my brother's Stinger GT1 and it's fully completed. Got his Stinger done and I know some of you guys enjoyed it. But in the meantime, we got all the parts for the Yamaha that I've been waiting for. Let's crack them open. Big thanks to Andreas at RPM Carbon for that sick new mudguard. Some of you have pointed out how the aluminum tank is kind of like a sore thumb on the bike. What do you think of this piece? If you guys like it, I'll put it on off camera. All right, back to the boxes. Guys, the parts we've been waiting for have arrived, like the new dash and the GPS unit I talked about beforehand, and the shifter lever on the side of the bike because mine's pretty broken. Let's start tearing apart the front of the bike and get all these pieces slapped on. So according to what I found online, there's supposed to be a communications unit in the rear here, but there is none on my bike, and this is what the GPS unit plugs into. So I guess we'll just have to move on. The new harness for the electronic suspension forks in the front is installed. Also installed that plug way back in there. Drain the fluid out of the master cylinder. Now it's time to install the reservoir and finish the brake system for good. brake system is 100%. Electronic suspension is 100%. Now it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the dash. Beautiful. Shifter installed. Let's put the front of the bike back together. I had so much fun riding that. That was awesome. And it was scary too. In like second and third, the bike would start to lift and I was only 3/4 throttle. Sketch. The dash works very well. I'm happy about that, but check this out. So when I turn the key on, dash turns on, and apparently you're supposed to access the settings by pushing this menu in, but this button doesn't push in at all and it's not able to access any of the settings. Other than that, all the other controls on this handlebar work just right. Some of you may remember I was having issues with the turn signals not working, but you guys are right. Somehow with the dash plugged in, it completes the circuit and allows the turn signals to work. I'll show you. Bike on, we'll put the hazards on to start. Front is working awesome. Now check out the rear. And check out the rear, it splits it in half. That is so sick. And now that those turn signals are working, we're ready for that final inspection, which will be tomorrow. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Also guys, with the cold weather coming in, I got some CJ Media hoodies, blue and black. I got a bunch for my family and you guys already. You can find it at cjrideslow.com.